As an influencer, we're often asked questions about overnight miracle products for skin brightening. In such scenarios, I always recommend a potent antioxidant like vitamin C, which neutralizes free radicals. These free radicals can cause excess production of melanin in your skin, which can cause dark spots and dullness. But let me tell you, vitamin C is known for being unstable and has trouble penetrating the skin in its active form. Therefore, I always look out for a concentration which is pure and stabilized. Introducing the newly launched vitamin C serum in the market, Garnier Bright Complete Night Serum. It comes with 10% pure vitamin C, which has been stabilized with a patented technology. Made with only 12 ingredients and a vegan formula, it has 0% alcohol, 0% silicone, which helps to repair the skin overnight and helps to reduce 76% oxidative stress. The formula is made to go deep inside your skin overnight, which is the best time to repair skin damage. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, PETA certified and cruelty-free certified. After I apply this serum into my nighttime skincare routine, I follow it up with my eye cream, my moisturizer, and my nighttime mask. What are you waiting for? Incorporate the serum into your nighttime skincare routine to get brightened skin and say bye-bye to dullness and spots. Bye now from Nykaa.